fragrance is really burning. There we go. Hey, you guys. Ignore my eye. Ignore my eye, please. But we are out and about. We just had some coffee here. We have some errands to run. We need to go get like fruit and stuff like that. And we have to clean and like organize all of our stuff that we brought back from our other storage unit. And I want to get some Dutch Bros. This is really sweet, but it's just not my taste. That's all. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's really sweet. And it has cinnamon. I don't like cinnamon. Did you order a throw?
Sure.
Why is that in like stadium kind of bag? Oh my god! Are you fucking kidding me? We're wearing this for the
Watch a nigga do it.
Hey you guys, it is currently Sunday, February 9th, so it's Super Bowl Sunday. So excited. We're currently out and about. We just stopped at this like farmer's market. We just saw it on our way headed to the grocery store, and I wanted to see if they have fresh produce and stuff like that. I think they were basically just sold out because it's closer to the end of the farmer's market. So we're just going to the store to get our produce for the week, for our salads and stuff like that that we pretty much eat every day. Not pretty much that we eat every day. And then also go to Whole Foods to get like, what's up with my brain? Also go to Whole Foods so that we can get bratwurst and stuff like that for the Super Bowl, like that we want to eat for Super Bowl Sunday. So, that's gonna be really good. I'm really excited because those are so good. And BJ's like, we need brats. And I was like, you're right. Pretty much what we're doing today. Super Bowl Sunday teams. And then, just get ready for our week. Like, my birthday is Friday, so I'm excited about that. We're just gonna have a good time. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. So, yeah. Right now, we're literally pulling up to Trader Joe's so we can get most of our shopping out the way. This is where we get most of our stuff. One thing I will say, like, that has really spoiled was the farmer's market in Atlanta. That farmer's market is one of the best I've ever seen, hands down. One of the best farmer's market ever. Like, if I could get that and put it anywhere we want to go in the world, I would. That was the number one thing on my list for Atlanta. I will say that. And Fudo. But the farmer's market is more important because that's like health, well, very, 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 very good prices. Like, we can go there, spend $50 and get so much produce. So let's go ahead and run into Trader Joe's. The bag's ready. That stuff. Whatever other produce. these avocados are good anymore. Walk them down the whole time. I know we got some.
Understood. Anything in that mother.
Paid before. So because my agent.
Look at extra long coffin nails. Oh, they have pigment palettes now. Wow. My first one. I'm so sad about it. This is like a have some natural extra short almond. Now, I probably won't be able to wear these because I have slightly longer nail beds, so I'll
Dear Jay, happy birthday to you.
Thanks, boo. You guys, it is officially Friday, February 14th, which means it's my birthday. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. And yeah, I look really dry right now. I need to put on some lip conditioner. Oh, my wife just pulled in. I'm getting ready. I just showered. I waved up my hair, did a little 1-2. I'm just gonna get dressed. We're probably gonna do like a night on the town, so I'm gonna switch cameras. And yeah, just enjoy the vibes of the weekend. I just have some little natural looking nail color on. This is Bare Neutral from D&D. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, do a quick little beat on the face, throw on some all black more than likely, and we're gonna get out of here. I'm currently at my vanity, getting ready to beat this face. And my wife just walked in. At my vanity. She's coming. You don't stink as much today.
We was using EPR instead of acetone, so I guess it's less harsh.
All right, let's do this makeup. Okay, guys, so they have like physical Miss Shop A. Is it Miss Shop A? Yeah, stores. And I went and picked up this brow pencil. This stuff was like $1.55. This is in the color Ebony. And what I like is that it has this little definer side, like the little wedge side kind of situation. And then it has the tiny little definer side. And I'm gonna use this on my brows today because I like the way the strokes looked when I applied it.
I took it on my finger and I gave it to her, so she's looking at it, like examining it, and she's just like smiling hard as hell. But they used to hotbox like crazy, like her, my mom, and my uncle, her finger, and gave it to him, and he gave it to me because he loves me and he wanted my smile getting bigger, hers is getting bigger. I'm thinking like, oh, she's happy for me. Laughing, I'm like,
Okay, you guys, we are officially ready and in the car, and we're gonna head out now.
That nigga ain't going nowhere.
Cheers. Cheers, baby. We're currently at Sonora. Something.
Let me see. Sonora Moonshine.
Yeah, and they have a speakeasy, so we're gonna go down there. Hey you guys, we are back home. We've been home. It's before 9. It was like literally 8:15. So now I'm getting ready to wash my face and go to bed. It is 5 p.m. I'm ready for bed. It's bedtime. So I will see you guys in the morning. So we are back home from dinner. I had my little dress on and some red heels. I didn't get to pull you guys out because we just had people down our fucking throats all night. It was just like, dang, get out of our face or pay for our food. God. But and we got the GNX album. Really excited about that. Hey you guys. I know it's another day. I'm no longer ready, but last night when we got home, it's just honestly been like a super chill weekend for my birthday, and I just haven't been wanting to like do too much. So I haven't really pulled out the camera, even though I've been bringing it everywhere with me. So I'm gonna try to like do better. I am going to do better, not try. It's my dad's birthday, so I want to release balloons for his birthday, and I want to just like chill, make sure I'm mentally all the way there, because he was and is an extremely important figure in my life, and he's no longer physically here. So yeah, I have that tomorrow, and I also have a dental appointment, so I'm gonna go do that because this is like my kind of introduction to the dentist. I've never been to him before, and because we're in a completely new state, you know, you have to find your new providers and all that stuff. So I have that tomorrow, and my dog has surgery this week for a skin tag that needs to come off. So we also have that going on, and we may go out Wednesday night, like around 6-ish, like not super duper late. We like to be home or on our way home by 8. Like like my birthday night and last night, I was like, listen, I don't be out like this, and neither does my wife. And I'm like, you ready to go home? Like, I just be wanting to be home. Like, I love my home. Home is where all of my things are, and I feel more relaxed and chill, and like I just be ready to get out of clothes, honestly. So yeah, I've already had a coffee today. I don't think I'm gonna have another one. I think I'm gonna go grab a medicine ball because I don't have any tea at home currently. I need to go buy some. And I may pick up my new Apple Pencil because that'll be a gift for me. We went and picked up the GNX album last night, so that was really nice. And yeah, that is the plan. So I may or may not pick you guys back up today. But if I do, then yay! Hey you guys, so I'm currently still waiting on my wife to get off. She has a lot of overtime today. Yeah, so it's like already 5:30. I have fed my dog, walked him again. And yeah, so I'm just waiting on her. I'm currently watching Random Order Podcast on YouTube. And yeah, I haven't watched this one in forever, and it's actually one of my favorite podcasts to watch on YouTube. They're really funny, and I truly enjoy it. But I haven't even been paying attention because it's like, I don't know, just a lot more things going on. So there's that. Hey you guys, good morning. We are about to head to my dentist appointment. So that's what we're on our way to. Now we're really early, but I want to stop and get a tea from Starbucks. And then gotta get a medicine ball.
Ready to try it?
Let me show you guys what I got from Ulta. I heard about this, the Good Molecules cleansing bar, and it's supposed to be really good. I did not know that this was only $5, so I'm gonna try it tonight and see what it's giving. I also keep seeing this and I've been wanting to try it. The glue, what is it? The face glue. And I also saw one of my mutuals post about this too, so I'm like, let's see. Only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have a safety seal when you take the cap off. I'm not a fan of that. I also picked me up another Milani concealer. They were out of most shades, so I just got one that I normally use. And then I picked up an LA Girl Pro Concealer. Me, 12, 13 years ago, like this, back in, I want to say, so me back in 2012, 2011, 2013, these were my go-to concealers. They were still, what were they, $2? They weren't even $3 yet. At the most, $2.99. LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go back to the basics. Let me try something that I used to use. Why not? And I already picked up some of the e.l.f. lip pencils at Walmart. They're only $2, but they actually had the dark cocoa. And I'm like, this is one of the colors I actually wanted to pick up. So I got that. I also got the Make Me Brow Gel from Essence, because sometimes I just want something I could brush through my brows and call it a day without using a pencil. I also picked up a Win Beauty, what is this, lip oil? No Worries Needed lip serum. Picked up the Win Beauty No Worries Needed. No Words Needed, child. I picked up the Win Beauty No Words Needed lip oil. And my girl Serena Williams was in a Super Bowl, so you know I had to go pick up something. And she has this one lip pencil, and it looks so pretty, so I'm like, I'm gonna go back and get that next time. And then the thing I got was my birthday gift, which is just this Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer. They didn't really do their big one with these birthday gifts, honestly. It's very whack. At least with Sephora, I got a Makeup by Mario birthday gift, and this just looks way better. I may not use the lip pencil for all over, but I can at least use it for the inside, because I do that with my MAC Half Red and stuff like that. And then I also picked up from Sephora Afternoon Delight fragrance, but I think I might take this back and just get a big by the fireplace, because I got a small by the fireplace with this. Oh, and then honorable mention, I got this at Walmart. I always buy these type of hand sanitizers. Never from Walmart. I didn't even know they had this. This one is in sandalwood, and this was only $2.98. I normally spend upwards of $10 or more on these type of hand sanitizers, so go get y'all some. Don't say I never told you about nothing. Look at that. And it smells really good, y'all. Oh, and I got me a new Apple Pencil. The new Apple Pencil Pro to go with my iPad Mini 7. I'm excited. So, but we're just going to chill and watch A Quiet Place. And I'll either see you guys a little later. I'll see you tomorrow.